Hi, my dear intermediate by PC regular long-term students, NEET aspirants. Grand welcome to BMS Academy of Objective Physics, NEET Physics. This is Mr. Bhanu Moorthy Sharma, BMS Senior Physics Tuition Master in Hyderabad, having 30 years of teaching experience in both NEET and IIT entrance coaching. Thanks for joining with me. In this video class, I am going to explain two questions which were asked in 2025 entrance examination, NEET entrance. The chapter is Newton laws of motion. The first question we are discussing here, within 1 minute we can solve each and every problem. The first question is, a body of mass, a ball of mass 0.5 kg is dropped from a height h1 equals to 40 meters and gets rebounded to a height 10 meters from the floor. And g value mentioned 9.8 meters per second square. Question is, find the impulse given to the ball by the floor. That is the question. Impulse means change in momentum. It's a vector quantity. So there is a sign convention for vectors, for momentum. Downward moment are negative and upward moment are positive. So this upward momentum is positive and downward momentum is negative. Okay, mv2 is positive, mv1 is negative. So impulse means change in momentum. Final momentum minus initial momentum. mv2 minus mv1. Okay, so mv2 we written here like this, mv1. v1, v2 we calculated using the formula under root 2gh. So 2gh1, 2gh1 and 2gh2. Okay, we calculated these like this. And substituted 28 and 14 in this formula. So m of v1 plus v2, that is impulse in this case, because they are in opposite direction, two momenta. So change in momentum is sum of those two momenta, minus of minus. I clearly mentioned here. So finally we substituted the values, we got 21 Newton into second. So within 1 minute we can solve this problem. Okay, this is the answer, 21. Let's go to the second question. Actually, there are two inclined surfaces here. One is rough surface, one is smooth surface. They are having same length, identical length, and the same angle of inclination, that is 45 degrees given in the problem. Now, a block is allowed to fall freely from the top of the inclined surface in both cases. Now, in the first case, time taken by the block to reach the bottom is T1. In the second case, time taken by the block to reach the bottom surface, bottom end is T2. So, they have given one clue to us. The time taken by the block to reach the bottom on rough surface is twice, is double to the time taken by the block to reach the bottom surface on smooth surface. Okay, so T1 equals to 2T2, very clearly mentioned the clue. Okay, based on that clue we can solve the problem. So there is a formula for time of fall on rough inclined surface and smooth inclined surface. So I substituted there. So under root of 2L by G of sin theta minus mu k cos theta, where mu is a coefficient of friction for the rough surface. So they are asking coefficient of friction in this problem. Okay. So by giving this clue, they asked the coefficient of friction for the rough surface. So I equated with this 2 into smooth surface means 2L by under root of 2L by G sin theta. Then I equated like this, then I calculated, I substituted theta value 45 degrees in this formula, then I got under root of 1 by root 2 sin 45 cos 45 1 by root 2 mu by root 2, and this one is 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Then this is root 2 common here, it goes to top, and 1 minus mu here, root 1 minus mu, and root 2 goes to top here, LCM, and here also root 2 goes to top, to root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. So then what happens, the root is squaring on both sides. Now 1 by 1 minus mu equals to 4 you will get here. So 1 minus mu equal to 1 by 4, then mu equals 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4, 0.75 coefficient of friction, that is kinetic friction in the case of a rough surface. So this is the method of explanation here. Two questions they asked in NEET entrance examination recent year 2025 from Newton laws of motion. One from laws of motion, that is next one is friction. Okay. So every year we are expecting two questions minimum. In 2024 more than two questions they asked from this chapter. Okay, so this is my way of explanation. Every problem like that, every problem we can solve within 1 minute. Okay, and all applications we are providing, all models we are giving now. Okay, and all fundamentals, basics, models, numerical solutions we are giving in this academy. So we are conducting online classes and offline classes in physics every day. So okay, if you are impressed with this video class, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, and do viral this video class to all your friend circles so that everybody can get the awareness. Okay, if you are impressed with this video class, you can talk to me directly on my phone numbers given in the description box, and my website also given in the description box, bmsphysics.in. You go to that website and contact me directly on my phone numbers. Okay, so everything is given in the description box given below. Okay, now thanks for watching my video classes. Okay, and I released nearly 60 video classes from the last 3-4 years. Then you can observe those video classes. If you are impressed, you come and join in this academy. Don't waste your valuable time. Only 5 months are left for your NEET preparation. Okay, very less time. First year classes of topics, second year topics we have to finish within these 5 months. So very crucial time. Don't waste your valuable time. Avail this golden opportunity. Okay, so wishing you all the best. Good luck.